Okay, so for this video or recording, I'm gonna show how to use the send later, snooze, and move options in Outlook. So first I will do the send later. If you go here to create a new email, you type who you want to send it to, and then your subject, your email. And when you go down here and get ready to send it, if you click this little down arrow, you can press schedule send, and then it will let you choose when you want to send the email. So that's how you do that. And then as far as the snooze goes, this one is actually a little bit different than the other Outlook account that I use for work. So when our meetings pop up here, it gives the option, oh, it's right here. Okay, so you would click the little clock to snooze the reminder. And so, honestly, usually the reminder pops up about 15 minutes before, but I set it to do at the time of, for the purpose of this video. So you would then press snooze. That's how you do that. And then in order to move an email, you can either click and drag it into another folder, or you can right click on it. Why is this not working? You can right click on it, which I don't know why my computer's doing this right now, and then move it that way. It gives you the options of where you would want to put it.